Before you drop or file leave of absence sa law school, watch this video first. In Attorney Julian's office, may naka-frame na quote from Winston Churchill that read, "As long as we have faith in our own cause and an unconquerable will to win, victory will not be denied us." Many of us have lost our spark or inner fire after spending excruciating years in law school or even sa trabaho natin. Yung tipong kahit anong gawin natin, hindi tayo nagiging enough, laging kulang. And worse, we lose our sense of purpose, the very reason why we even started and wanted to become lawyers in the first place. Ibinahagi niya kay John ang mga natutunan niya sa loob ng 3 taon. One of them came from the sages of the Himalayas. They live by a simple rule. He who serves the most, reaps the most. Kaya kung kailangan mong magpahinga, then rest. Kung kailangan mong maglowa sa law school, okay lang yan. Listen to yourself, listen to your body. Take the time to breathe and recharge, heal, regain your fire. And when you're ready to start again, whether it's to continue law school, start a new chapter, or pursue a new endeavor in life, don't forget to enjoy the journey. Remember, whatever you pursue, make it a purposeful one. Something na hindi lang makakatulong sa sarili mo, pero makakapagbigay din ng impact sa ibang tao.